Decorating ideas for Christmas, I will be making a silver set using the trio glasses and the clear tray. I got all of this piece together for $6. So the clear tray was $3 and the trio vases were $1 each. I will be using masking tape or paper tape to map out the areas that I want to keep and also the areas that I will be spraying silver. I went ahead and did the same for the vases, however using smaller tape to create my desired effect. Watch as I do this. Also, this is very similar to my 4 glam vase DIY series video, the 4 decorative vases, 4 glam vases that I did, where I basically used masking tape to create some kind of a design. Long and short of this is that you can actually use masking tape to create whatever design you want on your vases. It all boils down to you being creative and how you want it to look. So once I was done placing that, I used saran wrap over the bottles before spray painting it so that my spray paint will not go onto the areas that I do not want it to go to. Once this was dry, after about an hour or two, I went ahead to take off the tape, and this is what it actually looks like. Watch as I complete this. Again, you are not bound to use silver because I used silver. This is just personal preference, so you can use any color of your choosing: white, black, gold, pink, rose gold, you name it. Just have fun with it, guys. This is all fun, and that is what DIY is for you to create you. So I will be using these gemstones that I got from the dollar store at the rim of the tray, of the clear tray, just like I did in my expensive dessert stand video DIY, link above. I will also drop the link in the description box. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure to check it out, how you can transform any thrift store plates or any thrift store item to glam looking expensive dessert stands. So I went ahead to place the same stones around the vases just to give it a cohesive look so that it is matching very well with the tray. And this, I didn't buy them together. That tray I bought separately from the vases, but how you set this up will determine if they now look like a one piece. So that holds it all together. Just watch as I complete this. And so this is the final look. However, this is not complete, so we have to make it look more Christmas. And so I am using some table salt, some big grain table salt that I have had at home for a while now, and I am using that as my snow. And I will use the small Christmas trees that I got from the dollar store in each of the vases as well. Just look at that. If this doesn't scream Christmas to you, I don't know what else is. You can actually go ahead and add lights in your vases, flowers, whatever, you name it. You just take this and make it yours. For me, I will be using just the Christmas trees, and then I will add some embellishments at the bottom using some pine cones and holly berries just to give it an added look and that Christmassy look. So this is the final touch, guys, with the holly berries, pine cones, and I really loved how this turned out. Do let me know in the comments section which of these decorative pieces was your favorite. It is all about keeping it simple and elegant, yet high-end and sophisticated. Okay, so before we do carry on to our next DIY, I would like to state that this video is sponsored by our friends at Dozier. So you may want to check the description box because right now they have some amazing sales going on. And in case you didn't know, this will be like the time I'm talking about Dozier on this channel because their fragrances are amazing, guys. You get luxury perfumes for less. So make sure to check out the link in the description box. Use my code and get yourself some Dozier perfume. And trust me, you will not regret it. With that said, let's carry on to our next DIY. For our Christmas DIY number 2, this is actually a compilation from my Diva rates. So I'll be doing Little Christmas today, and this is because I realized or noticed that a lot of you did enjoy the last one, so I thought why not bring this up again, so you could try this Christmas or next Christmas or whenever you want to try this actually. All right, so it is pretty straight to the point, so just follow the tutorial. If you want more detail, I recommend you watch the original video, which I will have linked in the description box below as well. So just watch as I carry on. Well guys, it is that time of the video. As it is on RG's Nook, the tradition here is we have a keyword, and today's keyword is Christmas. Yeah, surprise! Of course, it's the season, so please do comment Christmas down below and show your girls some love. So this is our final look for DIY number 2, Little Christmas. So do let me know which of these DIYs was your absolute favorite. Right now we'll carry on to DIY number 3, which is just going to be a simple Christmas ornament, also from one of my past videos. And you do let me know at the end of this video which of the 3 DIYs today was your best. For our third DIY, I'll be using chenille wires or pipe cleaners, as some choose to call it, as well as some beads to make a simple Christmas ornament. So this is an easy DIY you could do by yourself, or you could also have fun with the kids and make a bunch of these for your Christmas tree. So yes, I'll be using just these beads as well as the pipe cleaners or chenille wires for this. As you can see, I'm using 2 of the wires and putting them through the bits and then twisting them over, and you can make this as large as you want, or as long as you want, or as small as you want it to be. For this one, I'm just going to keep it medium because this will be going onto a Christmas tree. Just watch as I do this. Okay, so once I had my beads onto my pipe cleaners long enough that I was satisfied, I attached both ends together to form a circle, as you can see, and that is what it looked like. It looked like a small wreath. I will go ahead to use some red ones to add some more color onto this. Of course, the Christmas colors green and red, and this time around I'm creating a bow which is going to go at the top of my ornament to create a small Christmas wreath which will go onto the Christmas tree. Alright, and voila, I will go ahead to attach that using my hot glue gun. And that's it. Very simple, easy, quick, and straight to the point. So that is what the final look is like. I'll go ahead to show you how this looks like on my Christmas tree. Well guys, that will bring us to the end of today's DIYs. If you did enjoy any of these videos, please do not forget to hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a great holiday.